Okay. Just heard something behind me. Then two squirrels come running down through the woods. They saw me and kept going. Blue jay started fussing. Now the squirrels are after something on top of the hill. Then whatever it was over there, I think, followed me down to the side of the road. Yeah, the squirrels saw me and just kept going. They did not make any noise. Now they're fussing something up there. It ain't me. That's the thing. The blue jay went quiet. He started it. He was further up the hill. The wind is at my back blowing right toward whatever's up there. Acorn, I think.